here to install an inlay in a local car, this stunning 72 Eldorado. It is absolutely gorgeous, unbelievable, but of course it had this roach, as they all do. So let's put a new one in. He was able to get it out quickly. This piece came out in what, like you say, a minute?
Just under a minute, yeah, very easy.
Yeah, just like my video shows. But somebody along the line super glued in the last 4 or 5 inches of it, and that was a bit of a wrestling match. But he got it out, and we just cleaned up the edges a little bit more, and we're good to go, ready for the new one. Okay, so we cleaned out this little damaged area in here. It's a little compromised underneath the inlay, but that's okay because it gets covered up. So we're good to go there. So we're just gonna wipe it down with a little alcohol on a cloth. Just get it in there. Wipe it down real good. And we're ready to go. So it's simple peel and stick. Flip it over. Pop off the liner. Your backing paper here. Pop it off. Line it right up at 6 o'clock. See, again, like in a previous video, don't be afraid to handle a little bit. I just take and put it right down there at 6 o'clock and follow it around. Gently follow it around. This is sticking real good on this one. Lay it in the track. You come right back around. 6 o'clock. Oh yeah. Right back around at 6 o'clock. Just press it down, press it in. And you're good to go. So there we go. Installed.